Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing around for quite some time: tiny houses. What's it really like living in one? Let's get into it. So, I made the leap and decided to downsize to a tiny house. And let me tell you, it's been a wild ride. First off, let's talk about space. We're talking about living in less than 400 square feet. It's cozy, it's cute, but it's also a constant puzzle. I often find myself asking, do I really need this? Every time I look at my belongings. And honestly, that leads to some interesting debates in my head. Is minimalism truly the key to happiness, or is it just a trendy lifestyle choice? Then there's the question of privacy. Living in a tiny house often means being part of a community of like-minded individuals. You'd think that would be great, but sometimes I find myself wondering, am I sacrificing my personal space for the sake of community? It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, I love the camaraderie, but on the other, I crave those moments of solitude. And let's not forget about the logistics. Tiny houses often come with some unique challenges. For instance, where do you put your laundry? I've seen some creative solutions, like using a closet or even under the bed, but it raises the question, is this really practical for everyday life? What about when guests come over? Do you just shove everything in a corner and hope for the best? Now, let's talk about sustainability. Many people are drawn to tiny houses because they're seen as eco-friendly. But is it really that simple? Sure, you're using less space and potentially less energy, but what about the materials used to build these tiny homes? Are we really being environmentally conscious, or is it just another marketing gimmick? It's a topic that often gets overlooked, but deserves a deeper look. And let's not ignore the financial aspect. The idea of saving money by living in a tiny house is super appealing. But let's be real, what about the hidden cost? From land leases to maintenance, it can add up quicker than you think. Sometimes I wonder, am I really saving money or just trading one set of expenses for another? So, what's it really like living in a tiny house? It's a mix of joy, challenges, and constant self-reflection. If you're considering making the leap, just remember it's not just about the space you save, but the life you choose to live. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think about tiny living? See you next time.